I am working on my coffee station and I saw this two-tier snack stand at Sam's and thought that it would be the perfect fit for my coffee station. I just wanted something to organize the K-Pods as well as the sugars, creamers, and other things that I use on a daily basis. So take a look at this product. It was $26.98 at Sam's. So if you're interested, if you just need something on the countertop to organize maybe a snack station, a coffee station, definitely pick up this product from Sam's. Let me know your thoughts.